money alone does not make you rich. So a lot of people think that the wealthy are wealthy simply because they get some big hand-me-down from their parents. Think of the Rockefellers, the Donald Trumps of the world, or just even living as your parents as a successful attorney or something like that. This idea that if your parents are going to buy you everything you need, they're going to buy you a house, they're going to buy you a car, they're going to give you, heck, I don't care, a check of $1 million. My question is, if that is your mindset, is it? Do you think it's the actual $1 million, or is it the wisdom that your parents would give you? And if it is the wisdom, then it's not the $1 million that makes them successful, but the actual practice or the knowledge or gaining knowledge, which means the only thing you have to do is actually get the same knowledge. So let's put that to the test. You give a lot of lottery winner, $200,000. Do they have the $200,000 later? The 200 million later? No. What about the athlete that gets, $60 million signing bonus, but it has nothing? It's not the money, folks. It's the wisdom of what you do with it. Money helps. Wisdom plus money obviously supercharges your efforts, but money alone does not make you rich. Money alone might give you a safety net for a little bit, but it does not necessarily make you rich.